Hey there folks, welcome to Golden Rule, where we care about your comfort. I'm Denny Brown, and today we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to our hearts, solving uneven temperatures in your home. Picture this, it's a chilly evening and you're curled up on the couch. Some rooms still feel like an igloo, while others are as warm as a summer day. Sound familiar? Well, fear not, we have some simple solutions to help you conquer this common problem and keep your home cozy all year round. First up, let's talk about identifying the culprit, whether it's leaky windows, poor insulation, or an HVAC system that's seen better days. We'll help you pinpoint the source of those pesky temperature variations. Then we'll balance your HVAC system, introduce you to the wonders of zoning systems, which give you complete control over the temperature in every room of your home. And who could forget about our trusty ceiling fans? By harnessing their power, you can keep the air circulating and banish hot or cold spots permanently. Plus, we'll explore the world of ductless mini-split systems, perfect for targeted heating and cooling without all the hassle of traditional HVAC setups. Last but not least, we'll remind you about the importance of regular maintenance. Just like a car needs a tune-up, your HVAC system craves some TLC too. So there you have it, folks. With these simple tips and tricks, you'll be saying goodbye to uneven temperatures and hello to ultimate comfort in your home. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, at Golden Rule, we're not just about fixing homes. We're about making life better, one comfy room at a time. So give us a shout and let's turn your home into the cozy oasis you deserve. Take care, folks.